I wish you warm welcome to our interactive webinar. It is on digital practical portfolio and financial wellness coaching. So let me first congratulate for attending this webinar. It demonstrates your learning attitude, and I am sure that this 75 minutes discussion, that is an interactive discussion, and what I and later on in discussion, Jitendra ji Phule will also join and share. So it would be being a stepping stone towards the, or you can say, first steps toward the transformation of your personal life as well as professional career in the long term. Okay, so let's quickly start with the introduction. I'll give you 1 minute time to each participant. Okay, in 1 minute time, you can do three things. One is your name, definitely it is already mentioned. Quick introduction about your qualification, work experience, and what one word represent your identity. Because many of time we work hard to build our identity, but someone asks you, you present yourself in one word or one statement. Okay, so one statement basically represent you, or in case you would like to become that in future, and followed by the expectation. So let's start with the first. We can on a top of with me Afzal ji. So Afzal ji, you can start with the quick introduction.
Yeah, hello. Hi friends, good evening. My name is Afzal Wajewala and I am a commerce graduate. I am in this business since around 11 years, and my this business includes life insurance and mutual funds. Basically, I am doing a financial planning. I define myself in one word: future. In future, I would be like to be a financial planner, not by words, but by work also.
Okay, and what are your expectations? One or two quick expectations.
एक्सपेक्टेशन इसके अभी राइट नाउ जो सिचुएशन चल रहा है सर, इन दिस सिचुएशन वी केम टू नो के फिजिकली वी आर डूइंग वेरी गुड, मींस जो नॉर्मली हम लोग 6 मंथ्स बिफोर करते थे कि वी मेट द पीपल एंड डू ऑल द बिजनेस एंड ऑल, बट राइट नाउ दिस 6 मंथ्स ने हमें सिखा दिया है कि बिना क्लाइंट से मीटिंग, पर्सनल मीटिंग करे या ट्रेवल करे भी वी कैन डू आवर बिजनेस. तो मुझे यही प्रैक्टिस को आगे फ्यूचर में अपनी हैबिट्स में लेके जाना है और कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म वगैरह बनाकर कस्टमर को प्रेजेंट करना है.
Okay, Varun, you can start. 1 minute time.
Sure, sir. So, hi everyone. My name is Varun, and I am currently working as a senior associate in private equity consulting team at Moody's Analytics. So, by terms of academics, I am a management graduate from Delhi University, and I have also completed all the 5 modules of CFP certification and currently pursuing CFA program. And in terms of my goals, if I would like to explain myself in a line, I would keep it's short and simple: as a financial professional and a good and an ethical financial planner.
Okay, good. Yes, Kushal.
Thank you.
Kushal.
हाँ सर, मैं भी खुशहाल त्रिवेदी. My name is Kushal Trivedi. I was a student of Indira College in Commerce and Science from Pune, and I was a student of CFP from ICICI Direct Learning, but I have not completed my CFP. I have interest in the field of finance. I am investing in equity from when I am the student of class 10th. So I have interest. I want to build my career in finance.
अभी आप क्या करें कुशल?
अभी तो सर जैसे कि मैं उदयपुर में हूँ. अब वैसे मेरा खुद का भी मार्बल ग्रेनाइट का बिजनेस है.
ओके.
लेकिन मुझे फाइनेंस में भी इंटरेस्ट है. हर महीने में भी अभी से मैं मतलब मैंने रिटायरमेंट के लिए भी मैं कॉलेज में था तब से मेरा SIP भी है सर.
गुड, वेरी गुड. यस अमय जी, 1 minute. Your voice is not audible. I think you remove it. Remove the headphone. You remove from your socket also. Laptop socket. Okay, Harihan ji.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Hariharan. I am from Mysore. I'm right now in as an IFA for the past 7 years. This is my 8th year. I started my career in banking way back in 2005, and my last assignment was with Kotak Mahindra Bank. Now I am in this thing. I'm going to complete this. In the old syllabus by March 2021. That is my target, to be a financial planner. And I want to be a good solution provider to all my investors, and get them into the pathway of to be a independent financial freedom journey, and give them the right guidance.
Okay. Yes, Bhavin. Not audible. You open your.
हेलो
Yes, yes. Now
यस
it's audible.
मेरा नाम भाविन का है. मैं लास्ट 10-11 ईयर्स से इंश्योरेंस फील्ड में हूँ और लास्ट 3 ईयर्स से मैं म्यूचुअल फंड का भी प्रोडक्ट्स जो है वो एडवाइस कर रहा हूँ कस्टमर्स को. मैं केयू सर के पास 1 ईयर से CFP का ट्रेनिंग ले रहा था और अभी रिसेंटली मैंने एग्जाम स्टार्ट किया था. एक मॉड्यूल कंप्लीट हुआ है. नेक्स्ट आगे मैं एग्जाम्स का प्रिपरेशन कर रहा हूँ. मेरा टारगेट है कि मैं ये साल में CFP बन जाऊँ और जो भी है ट्रू एंड फेयर एडवाइस ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल या फिर मेरे जो प्रोस्पेक्टिव क्लाइंट्स हैं उनको मैं दे पाऊँ.
Good. Very good. Abhay.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhay. We graduated in finance from. I've been studying with the KO sir since 1 year. I would have passed my 5th exam, but lockdown, the exam got delayed, so I'll be in my 5th what I would define myself is I want to be a person who helps people to build a strong foundation upon which they can gain wealth and help people manage their cash flow efficiently in a way that they can achieve the most and as many as their financial goals. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Amayji. Now. Amayji. Are you audible? Amayji? Okay, Rahil.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. माई सेल्फ मोहम्मद राहिल शेख. मैं नागपुर से हूँ. मैं एक्स बैंकर. करंटली मैंने अपना खुद का स्टार्ट किया है एज ए IFA और मैं केयू सर के साथ अभी CFP कर रहा हूँ. अगर लोग मुझे एक वर्ड्स में जाने तो मुझे लोग पर्सनल फाइनेंस का एक्सपर्ट के तौर पे मुझे रिकॉग्नाइज करें. जो फिलोसॉफी होती है विथ इंच माइल्ड डीप, तो वो फिलोसॉफी के ऊपर मैं काम कर रहा हूँ.
Okay, good. Nagaraj ji.
Good evening, everybody.
Yeah, good evening.
I'm Nagaraj, and my qualification is MCOM with the CFP. With your able guidance, I've been able to complete it about 3 years back. My USP is being honest, simple, and transparent. Trying to see if I can move from being a mutual fund, distributor to a fee-based financial planner in the years to come. In the if not year, at least a few months from now. And I run an ICICI Securities franchise in Mysore for the last 10 years.
Good, very good. Yes, Deepa.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good.
I'm Deepa Punjabi. By qualification, I am an MBA Marketing and MCOM, and I was working in a corporate career for 20 years.
Oh.
But then I took a break after marriage. But then suddenly I realized that I need financial independence, need to plan. So I want to be Atmanirbhar myself, and as well as, handhold my family also.
Good, very
So
good.
what, like certain instance happened, we realized we were in a big financial crisis. Now I've started investing in mutual funds on my own, like an emergency fund, and I saw it's giving me an ROI of 60%. So it has motivated me to maybe try and make a career in this with more knowledge and be at least financially independent myself first.
Good, very good. Sushil ji? Rahul?
Hello, Q sir. Hello, everyone. Am I audible enough?
Yeah, you are audible. You can
Great.
open your
So hi everyone.
It's convenient. So we can see your face also.
सर मैं वो हालत में नहीं हूँ कि देख पाएंगे थोड़ा मैंने ऑयलिंग वगैरह करके बालों में से बाल खुले रखे और you know like so
As you wish, as you wish.
Cool, thank you. So yeah, my name is Rahul Bhatia. I'm a Mumbaiti, basically born and brought up here, and I have about 13 years of total work experience across finance, accounting, operations, customer service into companies like TCS, Capgemini, Serco. So currently I'm working with Capgemini as a finance controller, and yeah, I mean, so as I mentioned you the other day, Keyur sir, like recently for the last 8 to 10 months, I started taking, interest in this financial market like mutual fund, insurance, shares and everything. So since last November, I have taken my term plan, my medical health insurance. I started my SIP, and few stocks I have just bought, in June, July. So somehow I just started taking interest in this financial thing, and just to let you know that I have enrolled myself for CFP course from ICFP College, ICOFP, 3 years ago. But honestly speaking, the course and professors were really good, and they were a great help. But then I realized that I need to invest, disciplined timing for study, for self-study, which I was not able to take out. So I couldn't complete any modules. So though I have taken the course for the entire 5 modules then in 2016 or 17, but then I couldn't take out the time to complete. So let's see. I mean, if your session will motivate me again to get back to on track and to complete my CFP certification.
Sure, sure.
And I heard a lot about you, Q sir. So like one of my financial manager advisor, he's in this industry for the last 25 years. So he, in fact, recommended me to go to you, in fact, but then it was a bit late. So expectation from this session would be, probably basis for any research and analysis in market if I have to start or I have to learn how to create a good portfolio and to manage it. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Chetan bhai?
Good evening, Keyur bhai and all friends. My name is Chetan Shah. I am from BNP Paribas. I am a senior private banker for last 20 years, spanning about 30 years in capital markets. And I am a fan of Keyur bhai. Keyur bhai is an excellent person as far as CFP advisory is concerned. And he has been trying to motivate me to complete my CFP. But unfortunately, I have not been able to complete. And now that I'm coming to my end of my career here, I think that I will start a new career with Keyur bhai. Thank you, Keyur bhai, for all the motivation.
Sure, sure. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining. Yes, Sushil ji, are you available?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Hi, good evening, all of you.
Good evening.
Sushil Sabarwal from Mumbai. I have been in the industry for almost 22 years. 2015, I completed my CFP with Keyur sir. And I have been practicing goal planning for my clients. In one statement, if I have to introduce myself to a prospective client, is your prosperity is our goal, which I strongly. Was I audible?
Yeah, we lost your last statement.
The last statement was, if I have to introduce myself to a prospective client or a friend, it would be like, your prosperity is our goal.
Good, very good. Excellent. Yes, Amey.
Hello everyone.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible now.
Yes. Hi all. Yeah, this is Amey Vaze. I live in Thane, and I'm a mechanical engineer basically by profession. So last 15 years I've been working in this oil and gas industry. It was Reliance Industries, and now it is a multinational company. So my profile is nowhere related to finance. However, there was a personal drive to learn the personal finance, and who can be a better coach, other better coach than KU sir. I completed CFP in 2015 with him, but my major, or basically the primary bread and butter being the engineering, my profile. So I'm not able to pursue my practice of CFP. However, yeah, in future I would like to do that. I also attempted a CFA course, but it was a failed attempt. However, the learnings were great, and I suppose this specifically module which sir is going to teach is much more related to that. This all has helped me in managing my personal finance, and would like to do the same for my future clients. So this is the purpose.
Thank you very much. So I request, yeah, tell Umesh, yes, please continue.
One word, just that, as you said, that what you would like to be known as, I would be rather suggesting is a behavioral transformation coach.
Thank you.
So more of towards not managing the AUM, but more towards changing the behavior of people towards finance.
Okay. So I thank you all participants for taking out your time from busy schedule and joining with this learning session. So please understand that when we last Ameji shared that his objective is to be a behavioral transformation, because today we see that as an investor there are many mistakes they make, and our objective with this 60 to 75 minutes discussion is how first we become a good investor. I can always say be a wise and logical investor, and then how we can help our investor to become more logical and wise. So this 60 to 75 minutes discussion would be more about the sharing the benefits of the you can say practical financial and portfolio wellness coaching. And once you realize that these are the benefit, okay, then you can plan out to basically join the value added courses in case if you are CFP certificant. Okay, we have value added certification to continue your learning skill set and to provide a better quality services or advise you to your client. And if you are aspirant, you can basically complete your certification. So let me start with the one quick presentation. Okay, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
No. Yes, sir. Not fully.
Yeah,
Yes.
Whenever I will changing my basically this screen to make sure that we learn. Okay, but I want also interaction, so I am keeping that screen little larger. Okay, so as I said, we need to basically be a first wise and logical investor. So let me start with the quick round of question to you. Okay, you can answer in chat box, but when you answer, you will not think second. Okay, and you will answer immediately without thinking. Okay, as well as you will answer with honesty, because many of time when we answer and we do not follow the honesty, so chances that we may end up with the not right answer. So first question is, do you have your PPF account? So you will either answer yes or no quick in your chat box. Okay, yeah, you can write it on your pen and paper also. I'll share your presentation later to you. Second question is, do you have a so second question is, do you save 30% of your take-home monthly income? Yes or no? Do you know how much inflation-adjusted corpus for retirement is required? You can note down the figure if you know. Do you know the MWP Act? Yes or no? Okay. Do you enjoy your profession? and feeling proud? Yes or no? Okay. Next is, do you considered as a domain expert in your field by your clients? Yes or no? Do you charge the fee from your client? Yes or no? Would you like to leave the rat race and plan to achieve the financial independence? Yes or no? Are you feeling rich? Yes or no? So there are 9 questions are there. So I just want to know from one of you, okay, how many yes are there where you answered the yes out of 9 questions. When you have mentioned retirement corpus, you will say that you have answered the yes. Okay, yes कुशल, कितने आंसर आपने yes बताइए.
Your questions I think are not visible on the presentation.
हाँ.
So presentation पे शायद से questions reflect नहीं हो रहे.
क्यों आपको
अभी भी
presentation
आपका
दिख रहा है किसी को?
folder
ये presentation पे
सिर्फ शेयर ड्राइव ही दिख रहा है.
हाँ,
आपका
शेयर ड्राइव दिख रहा है.
शेयर ड्राइव ही दिख रहा है.
क्या दिख रहा है?
पीपीटी ओपन है. शेयर ड्राइव आपका डेस्कटॉप
मतलब
और जो
बेसिकली
स्क्रीन है वो
फोल्डर वाला स्क्रीन दिख रहा है.
फोल्डर ड्राइव दिख रहा है. हाँ,
एक सेकंड.
आपका पीपीटी ओपन नहीं हुआ अब तक वो.
ओके जस्ट आप मुझे बताना है क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है कि दिस इज शेयर हो रहा है.
शायद एक पोर्शन शेयर हो रहा होगा, पूरी स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही है.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. मैं फिर से करता हूँ. अभी आपको दिखाई दे रहा है पीपीटी?
हाँ जी सर.
अब भी दिख रहा है.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's visible now.
ओके, तो अभी मैं उसको मेरा विंडो को एकदम छोटा कर देता हूँ यहाँ पे स्क्रीन को. और नाउ लेट आई गो विद क्वेश्चन. अभी क्वेश्चन दिख रहे हैं आपको?
यस सर.
राइट.
आपको रीड करना है हर एक क्वेश्चन को. आप अपने बुक में लिखिए यस और नो, ऑनेस्टली और विदाउट थिंकिंग टू मच. तो फर्स्ट 5 क्वेश्चन, रिटायरमेंट कॉर्पस आपको पता है, आपको यू नो दैट हाउ मच इन्फ्लेशन एडजस्टेड रिटायरमेंट कॉर्पस रिक्वायर्ड, देन यू आंसर यस. Okay, this 5 question. Shall I go to the next slide?
Yes.
Wait a second, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. You can go to the next page.
Okay, so now next, this is 6 questions, 4 questions.
Do you consider as a domain expert in your line?
Sir, I have answered 2 yes out of the 9 questions.
Okay.
It's 4 years for me. Out of 9.
Full screen right now, or do you see that your face also right now? आपको ये पूरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है पूरा के उसमें कुछ मेरा फोटो भी दिख रहा है?
सर आपका फोटो भी दिख रहा है.
दोनों.
No, we can minimize that.
Okay, now I minimize. Okay, perfect. ठीक है. Okay, so Deepa said 2 question yes from 9. Okay, any other?
4. Sir, 2 yes, 7 no.
Okay.
4 yes.
4 yes,
5 9.
Okay.
4 yes, 5 no.
Okay, so now I am not saying that what is minimum required, whether you need to say 6 years or 7 years, but you should know that yes, there is a need to learn and upgrade. Okay, I'll go ahead. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay, so now let me go with why you need to learn the digital professional financial and portfolio wellness coaching. Now please understand you should not link this learning with only the certification. Rahul said that I started my certification with XYZ, then I could not do it. Now I want to motivate. Okay, so please understand if you have connected with one doctor and your operation is not done properly, or if you are not satisfied, okay, and you need to second time operation for your better health, then you need to do it a second time operation. Okay, so now let's understand why there is a need of learning the financial wellness. Okay, So let us understand today, when you are an investor or you are a mutual fund distributor or you are a relationship manager, okay, so right now I am showing running out of time, so there is no need to worry. I'll send you a second link immediately. Okay, so you can join with second link without any password etc. You have to just click on link and you will connect with. So within 5 minutes we'll start with the second session once first session is over. All are with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so now once again, let me go with the why we need to learn the financial and portfolio wellness coaching as an investor. Please understand, I always think that you have to first learn as an investor. When you become a wise and logical investor, then you become a good independent financial planner or good relationship manager. So today what I have observed that are manufactured, example AMCs, okay, specifically they misguide the everyone. How they misguide? Today there is a NFO is there, okay, of multi-asset fund of one AMC. That AMC CEO says that this fund must be your core portfolio. Okay, one NFO is their balance advantage fund. So that CEO tells that this is the volatility for pandemic proof investment. अभी बैलेंस एडवांटेज फंड पहली बार तो नहीं आया है. अच्छी एएमसी का 10 साल से बैलेंस एडवांटेज फंड है और हमने देखा मार्च में सारे बैलेंस एडवांटेज फंड की एनएवी करेक्ट हुई थी 30% के करीब. So now we cannot say that you are launching a new NFO, okay, new fund offer, and you are selling as a invest in my product, it will become a pandemic proof. So they will use lot of fancy word. Today, every day we see on a national television like CNBC or ET Money, etc. Many experts come and they talk about the general thought. And I have seen that today most of the IFA or relationship manager or even investor waste their precious time because they do not understand the benefit of what they are telling, or sometimes they are telling also bias. Okay, कि market up है तो क्या करे, market down है तो क्या करे. Okay, तो message यहाँ पे हम ये बताना चाहते हैं कि if you are relying only on your manufacturer, if you are distributor, if you are relationship manager, and if you are relying only on the knowledge or skill provided by your sponsored manufacturer like AMC, insurance company, broker, then chances that you may end up with the first misleading guidance, and same misleading guidance you will be forward to the investor. Now second concept is that whether you want to create an image of yourself you are a manufacturer's agent or you are a client's planner. Okay, everyone want to create or build an image of client planner, but they don't want to invest required amount of time and money, okay, to create. Instead just writing on a visiting card or every day you tell yourself that I am a client's planner, you cannot become until you have invested your required amount of time and money and completed required amount of certification. Okay, in our country today many certification are offered by AMC. One day I was reading the Facebook post, एक IFA ने mention किया कि मैंने 9 certification जिसके लिए AMC ने 4 घंटे का टाइम दिया था वो मैंने 1.5 घंटे में कर दिया. अभी समझ लो कि ऐसी ट्रेनिंग जिसके 1.5 घंटे के बाद आप 9 सर्टिफिकेट इशू कर देते, कोई मतलब नहीं है. So there are many fake certification are going on just to motivate the IFA or RM. You should invest into a high quality right certification which really helpful to yourself and as well your client. Third point is that physical versus digital. Today post pandemic we have realized that key investors or customers by large they accept the concept of online buying, digital buying. Okay, as we are aware about the Amazon or Flipkart or Grofers or Big Basket, okay, they deliver, okay, you buy and they deliver at your doorstep. तो आपको समझना होगा कि आज जो पहले फाइनेंशियल सर्विस सेक्टर में एक B2B मॉडल था where AMC basically recruiting the intermediary, whether intermediary is a corporate distributor or independent distributor, and then they're distributing product to the investor. But now there is a high probability that if you are a product centric person only, आप सिर्फ product पे ही focus कर रहे हैं और product के ही बात कर रहे हैं, जो AMC का CEO बात कर रहा है वही message को आप forward कर रहे हैं, तो definitely there will be client will feel that if I have to buy a product, then I can buy online, so I can save the money. Everyone knows that when I buy a online product from Flipkart or Grofers, okay, my cost of the product is going to be lower than the buying from the nearest retail outlet, because nearest retail outlet cannot going to offer a discount, okay, because the cost they have involved. So same time, if you are also selling a product, okay, digitally to your client, and then client is going to tell if I have to buy it digitally and you are also selling a product, why we should not go with the direct manufacturer, okay, and buy our product, which is called direct plan, okay, so we can save the our cost, or we can earn the better return. Everyone is aware this concept. Next, quickly I'll go ahead. We talk about client in general, you should do a diversification, you should do a asset allocation and rebalances. But if we do a general discussion, it doesn't going to help the client and as well you. Our objective is to earn more respect and trust from our client and society. So trust cannot be earned without creating a domain expertise feeling in mind of the client. And last, due to COVID, expected to increase exponentially income inequality in next 5 years. So make sure that you benefit from it, not lose from it. So today I just read and shared one Goldman Sachs investment research pyramid, where they says that it is expected there is a income inequality. Earlier it was example 30% distributor are doing the 70% business, chances that only 20% distributor will do a 80% business example. Okay, so message is very clear. If you can create a feeling of coach and planner, then you client will like to go with you, client like to pay the fee, or client like to invest in a regular product, even though client is aware that they can save up some amount by investing direct, because they know that you are providing the qualitative advisory, qualitative service, and you have created your image as a professional coach to the client. Okay, I'll go into the next topic quickly, and then we'll have an interaction. So when you go with this I shared 7 reasons for learning the professional financial and portfolio wellness coaching as an investor or as a IFA. Now I quickly move into the next. What are the key benefit of coaching with Keyur Shah? Definitely here I am just sharing the benefit. The benefit you can get it when you basically enroll with me into either CFP certification coaching, or if you are a certified financial planner or non-CFP, but you can invest in enroll into some of the value added workshop. Okay, so that will share one-to-one. So now time remaining is only 1 minute, so within 1 minute it will disconnect, and then again I'll share you a new link of WhatsApp to new link on our WhatsApp, and then again we'll reconnect and continue our journey. Any question before I begin into the discussion? We have 1 minute time, so let me take some question from the last 7 points.
Avoid investment mistakes.
Any question in your mind?
Yes, sir. So on point number 7, if you can
okay.
Okay, like so as you mentioned, we can expect to increase exponentially, like that there will be income inequality in the next 5 years. So if for a professional like us, or for professional people like us who are not yet completed the CFP, or who are not into the market, who are advising, so how can we take an advantage, or we can make the best use of it, like being into our industry or in our own domain? I mean, till we don't start with coaching others, or till we don't start been a good investor or advisor.
Okay, so definitely I'm going to discuss in some of point I'll answer in our discussion in next. What are the key benefit? Because as a human being, we are mostly emotional person. By born, we can say that we are initially in your early age 100% emotional. Okay, and over a period of time we can reduce emotions and move towards logic. But even we have seen that even people are in 40, 50, 60s also, they tend to take a emotional decision instead of the logical decision. Okay, now let me share you one honest story where I'll not name the person. Okay, these are all true story with my CFP aspirants. All are they mostly professionals. So there is a US based IT professional. Okay, when there was a discussion is going on, he said that, sir, I need to buy house. Okay, I said at this juncture you are at US. You are at US. Okay, and why there is need to buy house in example in your hometown Kochi. Okay, so he said that my father, okay, it is my parental house, I need to buy. I didn't understood why parental house. He said that I have a one sister. Okay, and now house value is 90 lakh rupees, and my father says that you pay 45 lakh to your sister and buy this house. Okay, so I can convert this house at your name. Okay, so I thought that you are in 40 living in US. Again, when he has enrolled for the paid discussion by paying 2,000 rupees. So I had a lot of insight about his personal finance. So I come to know that you have only 10 lakh rupees financial asset with you at this juncture. So how can it is possible? But sir, my emotion is attached. I said that why don't you give an opposite offer to your father? Let your sister buy the house, pay the 45 lakh rupees. You invest this 45 lakh rupees into a long term for your in mutual fund. Okay, and whenever you come back to India, okay, you buy house whenever you want to settle. Okay, because at this juncture you are buying a house which is maybe a 20-30 year old. Okay, and after 10-15 years when you come back, you may not like to stay at that house. Okay, so he initially realized that I am saying something very unique and different, but then he found the merit in the discussion. So many of time what happened that in name of emotion we end up with the making a huge mistake. Second, if I say asset light and cash flow rich, again there is a one person from the UAE contacted me and paid for the discussion. Okay, and then I found that he don't have a much cash on hand. I said that you are in UAE in your age of around 40. Why you don't have that much of financial asset with you? He said, sir, I bought a plot of 50 lakh rupees at my native place, example in Chennai. So now please understand at this juncture, when we as a professional, our objective is to basically grow our professional career, create a asset. Okay, definitely it is more about the financial asset which can help us even in contingency, or maybe it can help us to fulfill our need-based goal or want-based goal. But if we convert our hard-earned money into some kind of physical assets, and then we realize that we could not sell also, or this cannot be also partly sold also. So message is very simple, that when you learn the true concept of wise and logical investor, you realize that it is always better to build a financial asset first, and you can build a real estate maybe after your retirement, or when you would like to retire and you have decided, yes, this is my retirement age and I want to stay in particular location, particular area, then you buy house as per your convenience. But if you buy today in your young age, you are you are creating a EMI burden also, as well as there is a high chances that that house will not motivate, or it will be a burden in your career progress. Because I have seen many of professional, once they have bought house, okay, they do not like to move from one city to another city, or even one area to another area. So I can discuss on this subject maybe for 1 hour, but let's move ahead our discussion, and then after I'll take your questions also. Then there are investment mistakes. Investment mistakes like we buy only one particular product like fixed deposit or LIC only. Then we have seen that, and I can say that this pandemic COVID-19 is very good for the financial planning perspective, okay, because people have realized that whatever they have created a asset, physical assets like buying car or furniture or maybe house, etc., okay, show off they have created, today they are facing problem of repaying EMI, or also they are facing repayment, the maintaining the asset. So it is very important that you must save average 30% of income. Okay, that is the job of financial planner, to help you to reduce the lifestyle expenses and help you to pay off your debt also, or reduce the interest rate and help you not to go into unnecessary loan. I'll also take some of the example with you. Some of our students will take. Is it visible?
Yes.
Just 1 minute. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
that is our objective is to. What is one important point I would like to drive to you? Okay. Even you can educate your client also. Okay, you need to, everyone as a professional need to invest that 20% of time and approximately minimum 10% of money, okay, take home income, okay, into the acquiring the new skill set. Okay, and you will surprised to know that that's the reason I have seen that many IT professionals, they do CFP certification, okay, because as an IT professional they are aware that they need to continuous learn, to continuous upgrade, to retain their job or to retain into the project, or to even basically be into the career into IT domain. Okay, so that's the reason many of IT professionals are proactive in learning, and then that's how from South India, many of IT professionals, South India or even Pune, many IT professionals basically learn the personal finance either for personal benefit, or maybe even it will help them to become a two domain expertise to do a better job. So many success story from IT professional, but please understand it is not limited to the IT professional. Everyone should invest a good amount of time and money to upgrade, and that's how it is a key to achieve the multi-bagger career. Every day we think about that key, let we buy particular stock and it becomes multi-bagger. Gods know that stock is going to become or not, but if you invest in yourself, I can assure you that yes, you need not to worry even post retirement. Okay, people, those who have not invested regular money and time for their professional skill development, chances that by 50 they might be unemployed or might not be getting a good income. But those who have invested regular time and money, they're likely to get a better income. Okay, even if you are age of 60, 70, 80, if you are physically fit, you like to get a more income as a professional. Like we know that many lawyers even in their 70s, 80s, they charge the huge fee for one hearing. Many chartered accountants also earning a huge fee. Many doctors are earning the huge fee. So that's how objective is that key. If you are consistently upgrading yourself, it help you to multi-bagger your career. Today, if someone is in age of 20 and earning example 100 rupees per hour, chances that by 60, if he is investing continuous time and money, maybe that 1 hour worth could be 100,000 also from 100 rupees too. So it is your thought process is important. Our objective is to learn the rat race and plan to achieve the independence, even second career planning is also, we can do it, help of the financial wellness planning. We need to understand the difference between the need and want. Okay, now please understand, here I would like to discuss happiness and feeling rich. Rich is not like that ki someone has a big house or someone has a Mercedes-Benz car. It is more about your feeling. If you are feeling financial independence and if you are feeling rich, you are rich. If someone who is driving a Mercedes-Benz or living in a 4 BHK apartment in Mumbai may not feel the rich. They might be comparing with someone who is the one step ahead and they always feel the inferior. So our objective is that we have to feel rich, and when you feel rich, automatically you enjoy your life and enjoy your profession. Any question you'd like to discuss right now? Okay, now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me complete the balance 4 point, and then we'll take it forward your questions. And we have a Jitendra Phuleji also, so we can also interact with him. Now, please understand physical versus financial asset. Renting a physical asset is easy. Yani ki if you want to take a rent office on a rental, office or home or even furniture or car, even on a monthly or daily rental, it is easy and cost effective. At this juncture today, in a house, you are paying 2 to 3% rental yield, or commercial maybe 5 to 6% rental yield. As you know that loan, how much you are paying on average, starting from as minimum 7 to 8% in housing loan, and commercial loan it could be 10 to 12%. Okay, so message is that if there is a genuine need, we can buy the particular physical asset. Otherwise, it is always better to rent and invest the balance amount in the financial asset, so the financial asset can be used to achieve our need based or want based goal, as well as we can part also withdraw it also possible. Next is, our main objective is to learn to enjoy our life. We have to be happy and rich feeling. It is not about that if I achieve this much of income, okay, I'll be happy. If I have this much of XYZ, I'll be happy. No, if you feel happy and be happy every day, definitely it is not like that once you feel happy and feel rich, you will be complacent. It is like that yes, you have to achieve, but you will not basically to achieve your future, you will not basically dislike your present. If you enjoy and if you happy in your present, then there is a higher chances that you will be able to achieve good thing in future fast. One more important point is learn to live a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Last week we had one interesting webinar with Rajendra Kalur. I'm going to upload next week also that webinar video. Okay, we have found that he was zonal head in 2002 with ICICI Prudential AMC. If he would continue today, he must be a CEO of the organization, maybe since last 5 years. But because of early age, he had encountered the health issue, and that health issue at age of maybe 30, 35, basically decided to take a break. Okay, and he opted for the sabbatical break for 1 year, did his MBA, and then started once again the balanced career. And today he is a very healthy. He has retired also. Okay, and he at age of 50 he achieved the financial independence, and now he is independent management consultant after resigning from the CEO position from leading wealth management company. So it is not necessary that first we earn the money and then we think about health. We have to think health every day and ensure that we maintain our health good. And last point is appoint mentor to transform your personal life and professional career. So objective is that today our country, many of aspirants are connected with me for particular certification. It is not like that you complete the certification and you move away. If you have a thought process that let me appoint one person, it not be Kayush, it could be any professional, and if you take his advice, as a professional, so it will help you to better grow your career faster in the long term. So that's how you need a good mentor. It is not necessary you need only one mentor. You can have a more than one mentor also. Maybe for different subject you may have a different mentor. So let's start with the first your questions, and then I'll hand it over to the Jitendra ji. So any quick questions, discussion you would like to do? Varun, any question?
It's very much clear as of now. Thank you.
Okay. Rahul, any questions you have? Anything? Anyone has a question like to discuss first? Okay, so I invite first Rahil for 5 minutes. Okay, Rahil is going right now training with me. Okay, and he has completed one value-added course, retirement coach, and now he's planning for. He's also pursuing the CFP certification. So Rahil, can you share about the today's discussion? You talk about the debt planning.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बताइए, आपने डेट प्लानिंग में कैसे अपने क्लाइंट को हेल्प कर रहे हैं अभी? आपका आवाज बराबर नहीं आ रहा है।
हेलो, अभी है सर?
हाँ अभी।
हेलो, हाँ मेरे सर क्लाइंट, मैंने उनसे जस्ट रेफरेंस लिया, तो उन्होंने मुझे उनके एक फ्रेंड का नंबर शेयर किया, तो मैं उनसे बात करने के लिए गया, तो उनसे उनको मैं बता कि सर मैं स्वयं मतलब सीएफपी सर्टिफिकेशन कर रहा हूँ, तो उनके ऊपर लोन चल रहा था, तो मैंने उनको उनका लोन कैलकुलेशन किया। उन्होंने 2012 में लोन लिया हुआ था 9 लाख रुपीस का, और उनका जो लोन वो 8.5% से चल रहा था। तो मैंने उनका लोन कैलकुलेट किया, तो वहां पे जो उनका जो करंट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है, उनका जो सेविंग हुआ वो 45,000 रुपीज का सेविंग हुआ। तो क्लाइंट इतना हैप्पी हो गया कि वो मुझे बताया कि बैंक कभी बताता नहीं कि रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रिड्यूस हुआ है। तो मैंने उनको ये बात बोला कि सर बैंक तो उनका प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी देखेगा, अगर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रिड्यूस हो रहा है तो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहती है, बैंक वहां पे आपको गाइड नहीं करेगा। तो देन मैंने उनको लोन रिड्यूस करवा के दिया रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। देन सेकंड थिंग, मैंने उनको कॉन्टिजेंसी फंड का बारे में बताया कि सर आपको स्वयं को कॉन्टिजेंसी फंड्स का रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगा। तो ये सब चीजें सर मैंने उनको बताया क्लाइंट्स को।
गुड, वेरी गुड। तो मैं एक समराइज करना चाहूंगा 2 मिनट में राहिल ने जो बताया। तो मैं हमेशा मेरे सीएफपी एस्पिरेंट्स जो है, जो मेरे साथ ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं, मैं लोग कहते हैं कि केयूषा की फी जो है दूसरे ईपी या फैकल्टी से एग्जांपल 3 गुना है, तो उसका क्या रीजन है? क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो फी चार्ज होती है वो आपको एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के लिए चार्ज होती है। तो एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन क्या है कि आज काफी हमने देखा है मार्केट में काफी इन्वेस्टर्स जो है वो डेट बर्डन में रहते हैं, एंड दे बेसिकली वांट टू रिड्यूस दैट डेट बर्डन। ओके, तो हम जब गोल बेस्ड फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग की बात करते हैं तो वो फ्यूचर की बात आ जाती है। क्लाइंट को रियलाइजेशन नहीं होता है कि आप क्या हेल्प करेंगे। आज हम बात करते हैं रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग की या इंश्योरेंस प्लानिंग की या वेकेशन प्लानिंग की, तो मैं हमेशा मेरे स्टूडेंट को बताता हूं कि आप पहले अपने क्लाइंट का अच्छी तरह से डेट प्लानिंग करिए और उनको दिखाइए कि कैसे आप उनका ईएमआई कम कर सकते हैं। ओके, और जब आप उनका ईएमआई कम करके देंगे तो फर्स्ट ईयर में क्लाइंट को जब सेविंग्स होगी तब उसको रियलाइज होगा पावर ऑफ सर्टिफाइड फाइनेंशियल प्लानर का या पावर ऑफ फाइनेंशियल प्लानर। तो आज राहिल ने वही किया कि उसने एक क्लाइंट का जो 8.5% का इंटरेस्ट चल रहा था उसका 7.5 करके दिया, और क्लाइंट ने उनको 5,000 फी भी पे की। तो इट इज द आउट ऑफ बॉक्स थिंकिंग कि भाई मैं क्लाइंट का एक डेट रिस्ट्रक्चरिंग करके देता हूं और क्लाइंट के पास कोई पर्सनल लोन है और मैं उसको बोलता हूं कि पर्सनल लोन जो है 15% इंटरेस्ट पे है, हम उसको गोल्ड लोन में कर देते हैं या हम लोन अगेंस्ट सिक्योरिटीज में कर देते हैं। ओके, या लोन अगेंस्ट प्रॉपर्टी में कर देते तो 10% में हो जाएगा, तो क्लाइंट का 5% का सेविंग हो जाएगा इमीडिएटली। तो 10 लाख की लोन है तो 50,000 आपका फर्स्ट ईयर में सेविंग होगा, तो क्यों क्लाइंट आपको 5,000 फी नहीं पे करेगा? और जब क्लाइंट को इमीडिएटली एक बेनिफिट दिखेगा उनके इंटरेस्ट रेट कम होने से या उनका ईएमआई कम होने से, तो डेफिनेटली आपको वो आपके साथ आगे बढ़ना चाहेगा और आप अच्छी तरह से उनका गोल बेस्ड फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग भी करेंगे और साथ साथ में उससे आपको एक अच्छा बिजनेस भी मिलेगा। तो यही लाइन पे मैं वेलकम करना चाहूंगा जितेंद्र जी। सो जितेंद्र जी, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ योर क्विक इंट्रोडक्शन एंड हाउ you have transformed in your personal life and how what you are doing, how you are doing. Yes, welcome Jitendra ji.
Okay, yes sir. मेरी आवाज आ रही है सर? Let me know.
Ready.
Yes sir.
I'm audible, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes sir.
Okay. So very good
Yes, sir.
evening all of you.
आप जितेंद्र जी नॉर्मली करिए ना, इतना इफेक्टिव नहीं हो रहा है।
आवाज नहीं आ रही है मेरी?
हाँ, थोड़ी स्लो आ रही है। आप नॉर्मल लैपटॉप पे करेंगे तो भी चलेगा।
मैं लैपटॉप पे ही हूँ। I'm on laptop.
अभी करिए, पकड़ के करिए तो अच्छा रहेगा मुझे लगता है।
हाँ, ये अभी ठीक है शायद,
हाँ,
है ना?
हाँ.
ओके, सो नमस्ते सर, नमस्ते ऑल ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट। कल ही सर ने मुझे बताया था कि ही इज कंडक्टिंग अ वेबिनार एंड आई शुड जॉइन टू इंटरेक्ट विथ यू। तो मेरा एक आई विल स्टार्ट विथ माय ओन इंट्रोडक्शन। सो आई बेसिकली आई हैव मैं स्टेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड में राइट नाउ सुपरिटेंडेंट इंजीनियर पोजीशन पे हूँ और उसके बाद फाइनेंस में बाय एकेडमिकली अगर आप मुझसे बात करो तो जैसे मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बताया कि आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माय बी, देन मैंने अपना ICAA कंप्लीट किया और अभी रिसेंटली केयूर सर के साथ मैंने अपना CFP भी कंप्लीट किया है। सो दैट इज वन ऑफ द एकेडमिक साइड ऑफ माइंड। करियर के बारे में बेसिकली मैं नागपुर को बिलोंग करता हूँ। मेरा ग्रेजुएशन इंजीनियरिंग का आई हैव कंप्लीटेड फ्रॉम NIT के सूरतकल, दैट इज कर्नाटका। और बाद में मैं 10 साल गढ़चिरौली में सर्विस करने के बाद 3 साल अहमदनगर में सर्विस करने के बाद राइट नाउ फ्रॉम लास्ट 9 to 10 इयर्स मैं मुंबई में हूँ। मेरे अपने कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स है, तो उसमें लर्निंग एक काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ आती है। तो आई ऑलवेज लर्न दिस कि इफ़ यू आर नॉट ग्रोइंग देन यू आर डाइंग, एंड फॉर टू ग्रो यू नीड टू लर्न। सो लर्निंग लेट अस से एडिक्शन सा भी है मुझे। So I am a continuous learner actually. So that's all from introduction point of view. So sir ने मुझे बताया था कि I will share a little bit my journey in this profession और अपने लाइफ की भी जर्नी में थोड़ी सी शेयर करूँगा। तो इंजीनियरिंग के साथ साथ मेरा ये फिनेंस में भी काफ़ी अच्छा इंटरेस्ट था, तो मैंने अपने खुद भी इन्वेस्टमेंट किए हुए थे। बट आई डोंट नो कि शायद आप लोग कितने लोग जानते होंगे कि हम लोग भी सुनी सुनाई बातों से हमेशा इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं, अभी भी कहीं फी देके इन्वेस्टमेंट करने का ये है नहीं। तो मैं भी खुद की इन्वेस्टमेंट किया करता था। बाद में धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई अच्छा किया, लोगों से शायद मुझे थोड़ा बेटर नॉलेज था, तो लोग मुझे पूछते थे यहाँ कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए। तो धीरे धीरे आई हैव स्टार्टेड हेल्पिंग अदर्स आल्सो। बट आफ्टर सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई केम टू नो कि यार जब आप किसी को एडवाइस देते हो तो इट्स अ रिस्पांसिबल जॉब।
आप जितेंद्र जी आपका वीडियो बंद कर दीजिए तो ऑडियो
हाँ,
आएगा।
ओके एक मिनट। हेलो, अभी ठीक है सर?
हाँ परफेक्ट, अभी परफेक्ट आ रहा है।
ओके ठीक है। सो मैं बोल रहा था कि जब मैं लोगों को एडवाइस करता था तो धीरे धीरे जब आपका एडवाइस बढ़ जाता है तो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है। तो देन आई थॉट कि लोग जब मेरे ओपिनियन पे पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो आई शुड बी मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल इनफ, और मुझे खुद के ही चॉइसेस पे डाउट आना शुरू हुआ। देन आई सर्च फॉर द केयूर सर, और शायद केयूर सर ने आपके साथ शेयर किया होगा कि जब मैंने CFP कोर्स करने के लिए बाकी गूगल पे सर्च किया तो आई फाउंड सम 2-3 पर्सन्स, उनसे मैंने कांटेक्ट किया, दे शेयर्ड देयर फीस एंड देन वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड रेफर्ड केयूर। जब मैंने सर से फीस सुनी तो सर की फी तीन गुना है ना एक्चुअली, तो आई वाज शॉक्ड, अरे इतना ज़्यादा पैसा क्यों देंगे हम लोग। बट देन अगेन व्हेन आई जॉइन, क्योंकि मेरे कुछ फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल है कि मैं पढ़ क्यों रहा हूँ, मैं सीख क्यों रहा हूँ। तो ये जब मेरे करियर ग्रोथ के लिए और ये जब मेरे प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ के लिए, तो आई शुड नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली आपको उसी टाइप का कोच हमेशा अपने लाइफ में हायर करना चाहिए जिस टाइप की लाइफ आप चाहते हो। तो अल्टीमेटली जैसे अगर क्रिकेट का एग्जांपल ले ले आप, तो अगर आप गली क्रिकेट खेलते हो तो आप गैरी कस्टन को हायर नहीं करोगे ना, आप लोकल आदमी को हायर करोगे। वेयर एज अगर आप इंटरनेशनल टीम में खेलते हो तो यू विल हायर इंटरनेशनल कोचेस, राइट? तो इन द सिमिलर फैशन सेम चीज आपके अपने लाइफ में भी अप्लीकेबल होती है। तो जैसे अभी थोड़ी देर पहले शायद सर बोल रहे थे कि आपको अपने लाइफ में कोचेस को हायर करना चाहिए, तो इन एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, रिलेशनशिप है, हेल्थ है, वेल्थ है, आपके लर्निंग है, उन सारी चीज़ों में आपको अपने कोचेस को अपॉइंट करना चाहिए। सो अगर मैं आपको क्विकली थोड़ा सा एडवाइस देना चाहूँगा, इज इट ओके?
यस यस, कंटिन्यू प्लीज।
यस। सो मैं जो सीखा हुआ एक्चुअली केयूर सर के साथ और मेरे बाकी मेंटर्स के साथ, तो 2-3 चीज़ें आपको बहुत क्लियर होनी चाहिए कि आपको अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में एज वेल एज अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में यू शुड हैव अ क्लैरिटी। बहुत सारे लोगों को क्लैरिटी ही मिसिंग होता है। तो अपने करियर में क्या करना है और अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में क्या आगे कैसे जाना है, इसकी कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं होती। तो आपको सबसे पहले उस कंपोनेंट पे काम करना चाहिए। और सेकंड चीज आपने ये देखना चाहिए कि अगर आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर पाथ पता है तो उस पाथ पे आगे चलने के लिए आप कॉम्पिटेंट हो कि नहीं, यानी आपने अपनी कॉम्पिटेंसी डेवलप की है कि नहीं। तो ये कॉम्पिटेंसी कोई बाय बॉर्न नहीं रहती है। जब आप किसी एक एप्रोप्रिएट कोच को हायर करते हो या अपना एक एप्रोप्रिएट सर्कल बनाते हो, तो उस सर्कल और कोच के माध्यम से आप अपनी कॉम्पिटेंसी डेवलप कर सकते हो। और अगर आप किसी स्पेसिफिक प्रोफेशन में हो तो उस प्रोफेशन में आप कोई ना कोई लेवल पे जरूर हो, और उस प्रोफेशन में उस जिस लेवल को आप बिलोंग करते हो उस लेवल से आगे अगर आपको जाना है, मान के चलिए आज आप एक्स लेवल पे है और आपको एक्स डैश पे जाना है, तो आपको अपने स्किल सेट को इंप्रूव करना पड़ेगा। तो जो मैं कंक्लूड करने की बात कर रहा था, एक तो आपका अपना पाथ बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए, और उस पाथ पे चलने के लिए जो कॉम्पिटेंसी आपको डेवलप करनी है, जो स्किल सेट आपको डेवलप करना चाहिए, उसके बारे में आपको क्लैरिटी होना बहुत ही जरूरी है। मैंने अपने पर्सनल फाइनेंस में अब फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम पाया है, ऐसा मुझे कभी कभी लगता है, कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि मैंने फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम पाने के मैं वर्ज पे हूँ, क्योंकि विद द ग्रेस ऑफ सर और मेरे सारे कोचेस के साथ मैं डेट फ्री इंसान हूँ। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंटली जिस ये सारे करियर में और पर्सनल लाइफ में आपको सक्सेसफुल होना है तो आपको आपके फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल क्लियर होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। नहीं तो बहुत सारे लोग के फंडामेंटल लोगों को लगता है कि ये बंदा बहुत सही जिंदगी जी रहा है, लेकिन एक्चुअली काफी अंधेरा होता है उनकी जिंदगी में। तो बीइंग अ सर्टिफाइड फाइनेंशियल प्लानर, ये आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, आप भी एक अच्छी जिंदगी जिए और आप जिस सोसाइटी में रहते हो, जिनको आप गाइड करते हो, उनको भी एक अच्छी जिंदगी जीने के लिए प्रवृत्त करें। सक्सेस की अगर मैं डेफिनेशन बोलूं तो मुझे कभी कभी लगता है हाँ मैं सक्सेसफुल हूँ। द रीजन इज कि टिल एट स्टैंडर्ड, आई रिपीट टिल एट स्टैंडर्ड, मेरे घर में बिजली नहीं थी तो मैंने DA में पढ़ाई की है, और आज मैं उसी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कंपनी में सुपर क्लास 1 ऑफिसर हूँ। तो ये ऐसी कुछ चीजें होती है जो आदमी को मोटिवेट करती है, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम जब हम सोसाइटी में रहते हैं तो ये सिर्फ एक करियर करके नहीं है। सर्टिफाइड फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग का या लोगों को फिनेंसेस को हैंडल करने का जो एक करियर है, इन मेरे अपने लाइफ में मैंने जितने करियर देखे, दिस इज वन ऑफ द वेरी क्रिटिकल और वेरी क्रूशियल करियर है। अगर आप इसमें आते हो तो ग्रोथ तो है ही, वो आप सबको पता होगा कि इस फील्ड में कितनी ज्यादा ग्रोथ है, लेकिन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंटली ये सबसे क्रिटिकल है आज की तारीख में। और लॉकडाउन में आपने देखा होगा कितने सारे लोगों के जॉब चले गए, कितने लोगों की अर्निंग डाउन हो गई। तो अगर आप एक एप्रोप्रिएट स्किल सेट डेवलप कर लेते हो अपने साथ और अपना जो कॉम्पिटेंस को अगर बढ़ाते हो, जैसे अभी हम लोग केयूर सर के साथ अगर आप जाते हो तो आपको पता चलेगा कि वो एक CFP की जर्नी में आपको लेके जाएंगे, तो आपका कॉम्पिटेंस लेवल 10x लेवल से बढ़ जाएगा। जो आप अगर आज नॉर्मल एडवाइजर हो तो आप नॉर्मल एडवाइजर नहीं रहोगे। जैसे मैं केयूर सर को हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि हैज ट्रांसफॉर्म माय लाइफ, कि इनिशियली मैं लोगों को बोलता था कि PPF मत लीजिए, PPF मत लीजिए। We used to talk about PPF versus ELSS, and when you go through the journey then you come to know what is PPF and what is ELSS. So that's it. सर ने जैसे आपको बोला था कि अपने मेंटर्स आप लोगों ने हायर करनी चाहिए, उस बात का मैं बहुत स्ट्रांग बिलीवर हूँ कि किसी भी आप दो तरीके से सीखते हैं। एक तो लोग एक्सपीरियंस से सीखते हैं या एक्सपर्ट से सीखते हैं। मैं उन लोगों में बिलीव करता हूँ जो एक्सपर्ट से सीखते हैं, क्योंकि अगर आपने एक्सपीरियंस से सीखने जाएंगे तो आप अपना बहुत वैल्यूएबल टाइम गवा चुके होते हो। और अगर किसी ने ऑलरेडी व्हील इन्वेंट कर लिया है तो अपने लाइफ में फिर से एनर्जी नहीं डालनी चाहिए व्हील इन्वेंट करने में। दूसरी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है व्हाट काइंड ऑफ coach you are going to choose. I'm not saying you choose Cure only, but what kind of coach you choose ना, वो आप खुद ही पहले ही डिफाइन कर ले तो कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लाइफ यू वांट। और कोई भी अच्छी चीज सस्ती नहीं मिलेगी, ये चीज हमेशा ध्यान में रखना। तो आप अगर चीप चीज को चुनोगे तो आपका लाइफ चीप रहेगा, आप एक वैल्यूएबल चीज को चुनोगे तो आपका लाइफ हमेशा वैल्यूएबल रहेगा। ये बहुत सारी चीजें मैंने अपने लाइफ में सीखी है। दूसरी, अभी अब हम लोग एक डिजिटल इरा में आ चुके हैं। बहुत सारे लोगों को समझना होगा कि 2000 से पहले के बिजनेसेस अलग थे। वहां पे कोई एक जनरेशन दुकान लगा देती थी तो वो 2 जनरेशन 3 जनरेशन दुकानें चलती थी। आज ऐसा है नहीं। एक 5 से 10 साल का हर बिजनेस का एक जर्नी है, तो आपको कंटिन्यूअसली लर्न करना होगा। ये जो डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आ रहे हैं, वो डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन को एक्सेप्ट करना होगा। और ये आप तभी कर सकते हो जब आप किसी लर्निंग मोड में हो। तो मैं हमेशा, जैसे मैं सर से भी बात करता हूँ तो सर को मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि एवरी ईयर आई वांट टू बी इन अ लर्निंग मोड। उसका बेसिक रीजन ये है कि आप अपने लाइफ को बहुत केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व कीजिए कि हम लोग किसी की सुनते नहीं है। हम सिर्फ तब सुनते हैं जब हम किसी के स्टूडेंट रहते हैं, नहीं तो हमें सिर्फ सुनाने की आदत होती है, सुनने की आदत होती नहीं है। तो सुनने की आदत अगर आपको अप्रोप्रिएटली डेवलप करना है तो बीइंग अ स्टूडेंट बने रहना एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। और अगर आप इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशन में हो, जैसे अगर आप प्लानर हो, आप लोगों को अपनी सर्विसेज लोगों को सेल कर रहे हो, या व्हाटएवर आप म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हो, आप लोगों को फंड्स दे रहे हो, व्हाटएवर, तो अगर आप सेल्स की एक्टिविटी में हो तो ये और एक बहुत अच्छी चीज है। द रीजन आई टेल कि क्योंकि सेल्स की एक्टिविटी आप अगर 10 लोगों से मिलो कि 10 के 10 लोग कन्विंस नहीं होंगे, तो ये आपकी ईगो को मारने की सबसे अच्छी प्रक्रिया है। क्योंकि बहुत बार हमें लगने लग जाता है कि मैं सबसे सुपर हूँ, हर आदमी मेरा सुनता है। तो आप जब सेल्स की एक्टिविटी में रहते हो तो आपको पता चलेगा, कोई बंदा इमीडिएटली हाँ बोल देगा और कोई बंदा बिल्कुल हाँ नहीं बोलेगा। तो सेल्स इज वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एक्टिविटी लाइफ के, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। और सर के साथ जाना चाहिए। मेरी जर्नी तो मैंने शायद, आप यूट्यूब पे मेरा वीडियो है, सर ने मुझे अभी सिर्फ 10 मिनट दिए हैं अपनी जर्नी शेयर करने के लिए। सो सर के साथ मेरी जर्नी काफी इंटरेस्टिंग रही। मेरे अपने पर्सनल फाइनेंस में, जैसे मैंने बोला कि आई एम अ डेट फ्री पर्सन, मैंने काफी लोगों को डेट फ्री भी किया है। कुछ 2 क्लासिक केसेस जो डेट फ्री के क्लासिक केसेस है, जैसे अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मेरे ख्याल से कुछ राहिल करके पार्टिसिपेंट्स वो शेयर कर रहे थे, ऑन द सेम लाइंस आए। मैंने कुछ लोगों को डेट फ्री किया है, उनका वीडियो भी शायद केयूर सर के चैनल पे अभी भी अवेलेबल है। सो दैट्स ऑल आई थिंक फ्रॉम माय साइड। एनी स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन, आई एम ओपन टू इट।
Okay, so I thank you, Jitendra ji, for coming and sharing your valuable success story or your insight as an investor, as an independent financial planner, as a certified financial practitioner. So right now we have 4 minutes left, okay, and after this we will not have another link. But what I like to do after at this, in last 4 minutes, I like to conclude in a 2 way to you over this that 75 hours webinar. First is that if you have any specific question query, tomorrow evening between 5 to 8 o'clock you can discuss with your question queries. So what happened that I can provide you a customized solution and you can take it a decision whether to take it forward your learning journey in specific valued learning workshop or into completing your CFP certification journey. Okay, so you know my number, you are already connected on WhatsApp. Okay, so you can connect with tomorrow evening between 5 to 8. Same time, I'll be also sharing with you Jitendra Phuleji's video. Okay, immediately after this our meeting. Okay, so I request you can go through the one video which is an excellent learning video for you. Okay, so when you go through that video, like 30 to 40 minutes video, you get fair idea about Jitendra ji. And also I'll message number, so you can WhatsApp the Phuleji, because Phuleji is also associated with us as a co-mentor, because he wants to continue. He always like learning. Okay, and he decided to continue his learning journey and as a co-mentor, as a coach Blue Ocean team member. So in case if you have a specific query you would like to discuss with Jitendra Phuleji, you can WhatsApp your query and take a suitable time, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, or maybe weekend also. He is happy to discuss with you 10-15 minutes and solve your queries. In case if you decide to go ahead with a particular valued workshop. Okay. After that, then Jitendra Phuleji will be your co-mentor for particular workshop, whether it is a retirement coach workshop or portfolio management workshop, or maybe it is a newly introduced certification called investment planning specialist certification by FPSB, which is the first module of the CAP certification in new syllabus, or you can even planning to go for the full certification. So our objective is to help you as a you can say independent financial advisor or as a relationship manager, definitely provided you are ready to invest the qualitative time per day. And again, as Phuleji also said, that anything which is a qualitative, high quality material, it is definitely priced at a higher price, because reason is simple. If I have 100 students, okay, in a year, okay, then definitely I could not provide a qualitative support to my student. But if I have only 20 students in a year, okay, so I can provide a qualitative support. So it is that's the reason one option is that I can have 100 students every year, and after that I can also become a like other faculty or EP, and then you find dissatisfied with me. So I took it another approach. Instead of having 100 students in a year, I keep 20 to 25 students every year, but I'll make sure that they transform with support of my training, my study material. And also we have a concept of co-mentor. So in your journey, Jitendra Phuleji, you are a co-mentor to complete your decided journey also. So I thank you very much all participants for enrolling in this webinar and also attending this webinar. So looking forward to interact with you on a phone tomorrow evening between 5 to 8 if you have a specific query. And also if you have a specific query, you can feel free to connect with the Phuleji over a weekend also. So thank you very much for your time and patience for learning in this activity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Keyur sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rajendra sir.
Sir, I have one query.
Hi, you can have